Hello and welcome back beautiful people in another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search your file in Windows. So you can see in here, search option. Here you can search your apps by their name. If I search this, you can see I can easily find my apps with their names. But if you want to search your file or folder, then you need to go to your file explorer or you need to open this. From here, if I search in here, it will be search whole of my hard disk. But if I open this drive like this, or open this drive like this, and if I search this, it will be search only my D drive. So if you want to search everything, then you can select here and search it. And you need to write your name. So I'm going to write name. Now I'm going to click on enter. Now you can see it show me my result. So I'm going to search another thing. Now this time you can see it take time because this file is not available in my PC. That's why it take so much time. If it available in your hard disk with your name, then it take short time. But if not available, then it take longer time. Now you can see it take long time. It is search my whole PC. So now you can see it's not find anything with this name. That's why it not show any result. No item match your result. So guys, in this way you can search anything in your PC. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.